Hi everyone, I'm hopeful that all you will be fine. In the last session, we have learned how we can aid the co-hosters or assistant inside the Zoom users. Okay, so our one Zoom user, if wants he or she wants some assistants or co-hosters to be added inside his account, then we can use this endpoint. Okay, so we are keep continuing with the Zoom users so API, and in this session we will learn how we can actually get the assistants list. Okay, using the Zoom users API. So inside the Zoom constant, we have already helper constant, okay, where we can pass the user ID in the form of one of these values. So we can either pass user ID, email, or me, okay. So me we can pass when we are going to use the overflow, okay. And let's start. So we have already imported the const helper to the relative path. So we now say const list assistants, or we can say assistants, okay. And we need to say async, and here we just need to pass the user ID, okay. And inside that we just need to build the URI, so we say let assistant URI, okay. I think we can copy that from here and paste it here, okay. And now just need to bind the access, so we say data await access, and we say URL and assistant URI. Method will be get, okay. And we say here headers, so we also need to copy the header from here, okay. And for getting the list of assistant, you must be have a user read admin scope. Either you have a user read scope, okay. So you can find those scopes here, okay. So once you navigate to the marketplace, if you are using Authflow app, then you can see those scopes here, okay. So click sign in, manage, and learn with next demo. So we have this a user level app, okay. So you can see is a user managed app, and you can now here see scopes, and inside the scope click on add scope, and here you can see user, and here you have a list, okay. So you can see here the user read, user write, user info read, and user Zach read, okay. And if you have a app admin level app, so let's create an other app account level app. So we say learn with demo, learn with make the other demo admin level, it is for this demonstration purpose. So inside that you can see in the scope list, just click on user. So here you can see it is a user read admin, user write admin, okay. So here are those scopes, and then we just need to pass append the then or bind then, and just return response and catch and return error, okay. Return data. Basically I do not have a multiple license user on my current sessions account. So in the last session I have got an error due to the license limitation. So in this session I think we can also receive that error, but let's try. But if you have multiple licenses and you have added assistants as I have did on last session, then you can go get those inside this helper, okay. So just inside the API we need to create a GET request. So we say copy and paste it here, and we have say GET, and we have say assistants, okay. And we need to remove this, and here we just need to pass a request.param.id, and I think all set. Just need to start the terminal npm start. I think we have already placed, we need to place the breakpoints here and here. Just navigate to the local host 44000/API Zoom, and then we have ID, okay? So we say here, we need to pass the ID. I'm passing email and assistance. Hit enter. So let's see, I think we do not have received here. Okay, so let's enter once again, okay? So ID, continue. We are at a system. Oh, sorry. So we need to here say assistance, okay? So because this is the helper, I think we have named it assistance, okay? We need to export that. Okay, inside the API, we first need to import that. At the bottom, we have already called and we say this assistant result, or we say assistant list. Copy, paste, Control C, clear and install. And need to resend the request. Continue, continue. Oh, we do not have a payload. So this is here. This is mentioning here. Okay, and I think all done. Install, send the request, continue, and we have a response. Inside the data, we do not have an assistant. Okay, so I'm hopeful that you have enjoyed this session. If you have any query regarding this session or any query regarding my previous session, then just please place a comment on a video comment section. Either you can share your queries and suggestions via my shared contact details. Take care, bye bye.